Welcome back to OTE Academy. In this video, I want to show you how to subscribe for the RoboForex VPS. So the broker we use is RoboForex, and they give free VPS for the first month. So and they actually give free VPS, but for you to maintain the free VPS after the first month, you need to trade up to 3 standard lot, like 3 lot size, for you to keep using the VPS. And just in case you're unable to meet up, you just have to pay $5 for you to keep using the VPS, which is cheap. The one we use, which is not even as good as the one for RoboForex, we pay $25 for 3 months. That's about $8 point something per month, which is not as good as the one with the RoboForex. So let me show you how to do it. The first thing, once you log into this place, you can see your dashboard. So you go to this place, this menu. So you go to under fund, this fund, then you click on deposit fund. So once you click on deposit fund, you see to account. You see the account here, which is this, your own account. You see it there. So just click on the account, click on it like this. Then you see wallet, this wallet, click on the wallet. You see wallet USD, click on wallet USD like this. Then once you've done that, you now move this to the side. You just drag it like this to the side. You drag it, you go to internal transfer. You click on internal transfer. So after you've done that, you now come to this place. Your account will have been here. The one with money will have been here. If it's not showing, you can select the one with money here. You can see this one at 1,227.8 something. So you now transfer. We are transferring. Let's just do $10 to this account just in case. So this one will cover for this current month. We cover for next month. So if you have money, you can put $20. You can put $5 if you want to be doing it every month. So let's just put $10 there. So here, the password you are going to put here, the password should be your trading account password. This account password, that's what you put here, not your client portal, like your trading account password. You can see this trading account, the password to this trading account you are moving money from. That's what you put there. So once you put in the password to this particular account, then you just click on deposit and the money will be transferred. Okay, so I've been able to put the password there. You can see the money has been transferred. Then the next thing you need to do now is, you can see I click the menu button again. Then you go to profile. Under this profile, you go to your VPS, this one. So you click on your VPS. Now go to the down part of the VPS. You see auto renewal. You click it. Auto renewal, renew VPS. You click on this, and it's going to write this. Attention, $5 will be deducted from your USD wallet to renew your VPS. So once you've done this, you only do this once. All you just have to be doing is to be putting money in the wallet address. Right now, you can see auto renewal has been checked. So the broker will be checking the wallet every month. Once you don't meet up, they will just pick the funds there. So it's as simple as that. This is how to subscribe to renew your VPS with the RoboForex. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your account managers or send a message to our email or reach out to us on WhatsApp. I will be glad to assist you. Bye for now.